Wave goodbye to time-consuming installations caused by the need to coordinate with technical support. With the Titan GPS Install app, installers can verify installations without calling into technical support. Fleets no longer need to schedule GPS installations inside of Titan GPS work hours. With testing verification done by the app, a fleet has the flexibility to book installations anytime, anywhere. To get started, launch the Titan Install app. Then tap here to scan the device you are installing. You could review the device installation guide if needed here. You can select here to scan the asset's VIN, then complete documenting the remaining asset details here. Next, test the device and accessories. Lastly, check over the summary and add any notes if you would like. Then complete the installation. By leveraging the autonomy that the Titan Install app provides, fleets have the flexibility to book installations anytime, anywhere.